Here's a 13 Hyundai Sonata for you. Really bad headlights. Really, really bad. Wait till you see these things. Both sides really look like this. I mean, just horrible. Just horrible sunburned tops, faces. No words could describe how bad these are. Okay? Driver's side the same way. Wait till you see the transformation. Wait till you see this. This is why we are the best. The best in the business. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com. We come to your home, office, work in South Florida, Miami-Dade, Broward County, Palm Beach County. Text us the pictures of your headlights. Give us a call. 754-302-0769. Give us a buzz.